In this video, I explain Fire Stick won't connect to Wi-Fi. Today we are gonna show you how to fix your Fire Stick if it won't connect with your Wi-Fi. We're gonna show you several methods for fixing this problem. Method 1. The first thing we are gonna try is really simple and will pretty much resolve the error. Hold the play or pause button on the remote. At the same time, hold down the center button until you get a message on the screen that the Fire Stick is powering off. Then you can release them after your Fire Stick returns to the home screen. If it not clears the problem, then let's go on to the next try. Method 2. Unplug your Fire Stick wall outlet. Wait for the 60 seconds. Plug it back in. Check to see if your problem is resolved. If it not clears the problem, then let's go on to the next try. Method 3. Unplug your router. Wait for the 16 seconds. Plug it back in. Wait for router to go online. It takes about 2 minutes. Then go ahead and check your Fire Stick and see if the Wi-Fi is now working. Check to see if your problem is resolved. If not clear the problem, this last fix should almost definitely solve your problem. Method 4. We are going to do a factory reset. Press and hold the back button and right side of the navigation circle together for 10 seconds. Screen will appear and then asking if, if you want to do a factory reset, say yes and the reset. This definitely solve your problem. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.